What is good, everybody? It's your boy Anthony, and today I have got the GoPro Hero 10, and I am seriously so hyped to open this thing. I haven't had a GoPro since the Hero 2 or the Hero 3. So let's kind of just get right into it and crack this bad boy open. So this GoPro has Hypersmooth 4, which is absolutely insane, and we will get into that in my review. So make sure you are subscribed down below and those bell notifications are on so you don't miss that video. So it's got Hypersmooth 4, which is insane stabilization. It can shoot at 5.3K, which is mental considering right now all these cameras are shooting at 1080p. It can also go to 33 feet underwater, which is awesome. This thing's got voice control, 8x slow-mo, time warp, and it can stream it. Okay, that is seriously impressive what GoPro has been able to put into this thing. Okay, so it doesn't want you to open it up top here. Just like Apple, actually, they want you to open it from underneath on the bottom here. So might as well just pull that bad boy open. Ooh, that was nice though. Okay, do it the way you want, GoPro. Ooh, okay. So this is the box that the GoPro comes in. Apparently this is the same box as the GoPro Hero 9. I don't have one of those. I just have the GoPro Hero 10, as we can see now. So let's kind of open this up. That's a nice smooth zipper. So that, my friends, is the GoPro Hero 10. Wow. All right, so it comes with, of course, a charging cable, USB to USB-C. Ooh, it comes with a singular battery. Apparently this is the same battery in the GoPro Hero 9. Kickstand here, that's beautiful. And then we've got, of course, a sticky thing. Every GoPro user needs to have a sticky thing. Little twisty twist boy for what happens on the GoPro. And now we've got also a bunch of information here. We've also got product questions. That is a big manual, TLDR. Go online and find it and ask for help. So let's open this up. Let's take this out. Okay, this is a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so there's nothing else in here. It's just a recycle me please box with that. So this is the GoPro Hero 10. So this thing is weighty. I actually am kind of excited by it. So we've got these, oh yeah. So I've heard some things about this. Apparently this GoPro overheats when it's closed like this and placed down. Let's turn this bad boy on and set this up. I need to do a battery. How do I do a battery? Hi, I'm an idiot. They were just telling me how to use a battery. Let's see if there's a charge on this battery and turn her on. Yo, all right, she is on. Yeah, battery is dead. I pretty much figured that. So you can see screen powering off. Yeah, you know what? I'm sorry. I know I'm not supposed to do that. Well, that is the GoPro. Let's take the most satisfying plunge and take these off. Ooh, that's one of them. Ooh, that's two of them. Ooh, that's so nice. That is so nice. And that is three of them. But that is the GoPro Hero 10. That is what is inside the box, what it comes with, and that is the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 10. To be honest, I thought this thing was gonna be way lighter, but I really like this weight. It feels incredibly premium, and once I get this bad boy charged up, I cannot wait to start using it. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please hit that like button down below, subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss the review of the GoPro Hero 10. Thanks so much for watching. It's your boy Andy. I'm out.